Is vanilla gift card a scam? 2025 method. You buy a vanilla gift card, scratch the back, and then your balance is gone. Your stomach drops. You think you were scammed. But here is the surprising truth. Vanilla gift cards themselves are not scams, but scammers love them. Most people get this wrong because they think the card company stole their money. What really happens is much more sneaky. Scammers often steal card numbers before they are sold. They wait for the card to be activated, then instantly drain the balance online. This can happen within minutes. In 2025, digital scanners and bots make this even faster. The safest way to buy vanilla cards is to choose cards kept behind the counter, inspect packaging carefully, and use the card immediately after purchase. Verdict: not a scam, but extremely high risk.